Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos, and this is another Ford Ranger Wildtrak custom design that's currently in stock. So this particular Ranger is in the Moondust Silver with the contrasting black wrap ticket on it. It's got some really nice features on this particular vehicle, so as you can see it stands out from your standard Wildtrak, and you've also on this one got the power roller shutter and tow bar, and the power roller shutter is a really nice big upgrade, so I'm going to show you that in a bit more detail. So let's just go around it now. Front end view, you can see it's got the Ford Raptor style front grille with the Ford lettering. It's got that lower bumper bar, lower nudge bar, and then you've got the bonnet scoop on top as well. It gets the wide wheel arch kit, the Raptor style wheel arch kit, and on that you've got, with that you've got the 20-inch alloys with brand new all-terrain tyres as well. So it really gives it a nice aggressive look on the road. Top of the windows you get the wind deflectors or sun deflectors, so it just gives that nice sleek look. So this is the 2-litre twin turbo 2021 vehicle. 2-litre twin turbo comes with the 10-speed auto box, and you get the leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats, Wildtrak on the embossing on the dashboard as well. It's all touchscreen, heated seats. You've got a good spec on it, so I'll go around and show you that in a bit more detail. So the Wildtrak's top spec. You've got slightly tinted rear windows for a bit of privacy in the rear. Come around to the rear, you can see that rear tow bar, and then on top that's that power roller shutter. So with the power roller shutter you see straight away it's nice sleek lines. You haven't got the handle on the back like the manual one, and to operate you've got 3 different ways. You've got a button inside, so you push that button and it will one-shot open. If I push the button again it will stop at any position I want, and then I push it for a third time and it comes all the way in. As you can see the load space is nice and clean as well. So that's one way to open and close the shutter. You then have a button on the key fob, so you can open and close it on the key fob, and you've also got a button next to the steering wheel as well. So there's 3 different ways to open and close the power roller shutter. Let's keep going round. You've got the side step on the Wildtrak, and then back around to the front. My favourite view on these Rangers. I think they really stand out, really look nice and aggressive on the road. So as we go inside, worth pointing out it's got the xenon lights, so you've got the brighter front lights, you've got the front and rear parking sensors as well as a rear camera. You've got keyless go, key can stay in your pocket, vehicle unlocks. Electric adjustment on the driver's seat, that's just my trade plate down there, ignore that. I'll move that later. Right, inside, it's just been serviced at Ford, this particular vehicle, so it's had a Ford service because they're due at 12,500 miles, so it's had that service. Mileage at the moment is 12,789. Let's just show you actually on the display whilst we're here. You've got a number of safety features on these vehicles. You've got lane keep assist, hopefully the sun's shining on there a little bit. Let's zoom in. Lane keep assist, pre-collision, speed limiter, and traffic signs quite nice as well, because you can see the speed in the zone you're in, and then with lane keep assist you can change it to alert and aid, or we can just have the standard display mode there, and you can change what display mode you want. On the left you've got the radio, navigation or phone. That's your nav screen, it's touch screen, and then if you put the vehicle in reverse you've got that rear camera, you've got front and rear sensors, and it's all very car-like. It feels very car-like as well, so they're quite a big upgrade on what used to be an old pickup truck. These are, a lot of people use them as family vehicles. Just going through some of the menu there, you can see you've got changed things like ambient lighting, you've got Apple CarPlay. If you connect your Android you get Android Auto, you've got Wi-Fi, Ford Connect, Bluetooth. So all the features you expect to find on a high-spec vehicle. Heated seats for the driver and passenger, USB points. Don't need heated seats today because it's very hot. You've got the touch push button start. It's got automatic with sport mode, and you can change the gears yourself. You've got 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, and the low gear ratio. Vehicle comes with start stop, steering wheel controls, you get your buttons, your lane keeping if you want it on and off, cruise control and speed limiter as well. If we go back outside I'll show you the rear of the vehicle as well. So that's the front seats. In the rear you got leather again as well. You've got ISOFIX points if you want to fit child seats. You've got an armrest with cup holder in the centre, and down there you've got the plug socket and cigarette lighter or a 12-volt power supply. So that's the Ford Ranger in Moondust Silver with the power roller shutter, tow bar and the contrasting black wrap ticket. I'm Jack at Downs Autos. If you've got any particular questions or want to know which stock's coming in or want to get added to the email list, just get hold of me. Thank you very much.